Welcome to my channel. Value quarter dollar. The 2013 United States 5-cent coin, commonly known as the nickel, is part of a long-running series that features the legacy of Thomas Jefferson, whose image has appeared on the obverse front of the coin since 1938, replacing the earlier buffalo nickel design. Minted at the United States Mint facility in Denver, indicated by the small d mint mark on the coin, the 2013 nickel continues the modern design introduced in 2006, which presents a forward-facing portrait of Jefferson based on a study by artist Jamie Franke. The inscriptions, "In God We Trust," appear prominently to the left of Jefferson's portrait, reflecting a national motto first widely adopted on U.S. coinage during the Civil War era, while the word liberty and the year, 2013, are placed to the right, stylized in Jefferson's own handwriting to evoke a historical connection. On the reverse back side of the coin is an image of Monticello, Jefferson's Virginia plantation home, rendered in a detailed frontal view that emphasizes its neoclassical architecture, symbolizing Jefferson's intellectual and cultural influence. Above Monticello appears the inscription, "E pluribus unum," a Latin phrase meaning "out of many, one," representing the unity of the original states, while below the building is the word Monticello and the denomination 5 cents, clearly identifying the coin's value. The composition of the coin remains consistent with modern U.S. nickels, made of a cupronickel alloy consisting of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it durability and a silvery appearance despite containing no actual silver. Weighing exactly 5 grams and measuring 21.21 millimeters in diameter, the coin has a plain, smooth edge, distinguishing it from coins like quarters and dimes that have reeded edges. The 2013 nickel was produced in large quantities for general circulation, making it a common coin rather than a rare collectible, although uncirculated or high-grade examples may hold slightly higher value among numismatists. Its design reflects continuity in American coinage while preserving historical symbolism, particularly through the enduring association with Thomas Jefferson and Monticello, both of which represent ideals of democracy, knowledge, and architectural elegance. Overall, the 2013 Jefferson nickel serves not only as everyday currency but also as a small, tangible piece of American history, carrying layered meanings through its inscriptions, imagery, and material composition. The next top. The United States 5-cent coin dated 2014 with a D mint mark is a modern issue of the long-running Jefferson nickel series, struck by the United States Mint at its Denver facility. This coin continues a design tradition that began in 1938, honoring Thomas Jefferson, whose legacy is deeply tied to American history, philosophy, and architecture. On the obverse front, the 2014 nickel features a detailed forward-facing portrait of Jefferson, accompanied by the inscriptions, "In God We Trust," along the left side, liberty followed by the year, 2014 on the right, and a small D mint mark indicating it was produced in Denver. The reverse back of the coin displays an image of Monticello, Jefferson's historic Virginia estate, rendered in a stylized but recognizable architectural form that emphasizes its iconic dome and neoclassical symmetry. Above Monticello appears the inscription, "E pluribus unum," a Latin phrase meaning "out of many, one," reflecting the unity of the states, while below the building is the denomination, 5 cents, and the country name, United States of America, arches prominently across the top. The coin is composed of a cupronickel-clad material, specifically 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it durability and a silver-like appearance despite containing no actual silver. Measuring 21.21 millimeters in diameter and weighing exactly 5 grams, the nickel has a smooth edge and is widely used in everyday transactions, though collectors often preserve uncirculated examples like the 2014 for their quality and consistency. While not rare in circulated condition due to its high mintage, this coin still holds educational and symbolic value, representing continuity in American coinage design and honoring Jefferson's intellectual contributions, including his role in drafting the Declaration of Independence and promoting ideals of liberty and democracy. The inclusion of inscriptions such as "In God We Trust," officially adopted on U.S. coinage during the 19th century, and E pluribus unum, which dates back to the nation's founding era, connects the coin to broader themes of faith, unity, and national identity. Collectors may also note subtle design refinements made over the years, particularly after the Westward Journey nickel series, 2004 to 2006, which led to the updated forward-facing portrait still used in 2014. Overall, the 2014 D. Jefferson nickel stands as a small yet meaningful artifact of American culture, blending artistry, history, and everyday utility into a single widely circulated coin.